Few cars in American history inspire as much passion as the legendary 1963 Chevrolet Corvette Split-Window. Its unique rear glass design made it an icon of mid-century automotive art, and today, Restomod builders continue to chase that same spirit with modern performance and creativity. But one shop, Stripped Down Street Rods, has taken that idea to a whole new level, blending raw horsepower, artistic chaos, and retro influence into something unlike anything else on the road. Meet the 2009 Chevrolet Corvette Z06 that thinks it's a '63 split window, a build that's equal parts dream and madness. Unlike most restomods that simply merge classic style with modern engineering, this project goes in a completely different direction. Instead of a smooth fiberglass body or a full C2 replica shell, the builder chose an exposed exoskeleton made of tubular metal. The result is a skeletal silhouette that vaguely mimics the outline of a 1963 Corvette, complete with a stylized split-window rear structure crafted from pipes. It's more of a mechanical sculpture than a traditional body, a brutalist take on one of the most elegant American sports cars ever built. This radical creation by Stripped Down Street Rods takes a functioning 2009 Corvette Z06 and transforms it into something entirely new. The chassis, drivetrain, and most of the mechanical components remain intact, but everything else has been stripped away to reveal a raw, open form that results in an automotive skeleton that's light, loud, and guaranteed to turn heads at any event. From certain angles, it evokes the spirit of the original C2 Corvette, but from others, it looks more like a futuristic hot rod forged from industrial art. Power comes from the same 7.0-liter LS7 V8 that made the C606 famous. With a claimed 500 horsepower and a 6-speed manual transmission, this machine is every bit as wild to drive as it looks. The builder added a short-throw shifter for quicker gear changes, while the rest of the powertrain remains mostly untouched, a smart choice given how perfectly balanced the Z06's performance already is. Inside, the builder introduced a few vintage-inspired touches to honor the Corvette's heritage. C2-style headlights and taillights have been incorporated into the tubular frame. The cockpit features a Momo steering wheel, vinyl bucket seats, and 4-point harnesses for extra security. The interior also gets marine-grade carpet and headliner upholstery designed to resist moisture in case the open-frame car gets caught in the rain. The Corvette rolls on 19-inch Centennial Cup wheels wrapped in grippy Nitto 275 section tires. A fully functional traction control system helps keep all that power under control. Though make no mistake, this isn't a car for the faint of heart. It's designed for the pure joy of driving, where the sound of the LS7 thundering through the frame is the real star of the show. From a distance, it's both bizarre and beautiful. This split-window-inspired Restomod doesn't try to be accurate or even elegant. Instead, it celebrates the raw energy and freedom that made the Corvette name legendary. It's an experiment that redefines what a Restomod can be, focusing less on nostalgia and more on the experience of unfiltered performance. Set to cross the auction block at Mecum's Las Vegas event on November 15th, the value of this wild creation is anyone's guess. Its appeal lies not in collectability, but in its uniqueness, a one-of-a-kind machine that dares to reinterpret Corvette history through the lens of pure, stripped-down power. For the right buyer, it's a ticket to the most visceral kind of driving thrill imaginable.